Hi everybody, good morning. I am going to explain step by step your homework and also read aloud the questions on the Google form. So if you're having trouble with that, all of the answers will be revealed. So first thing you're going to do is go to Google Classroom. You're already watching this YouTube video, so you're doing the right thing. First thing is to go to the slides that we talked about in class today. I have copied the notes down here. And I want you to write down the notes about the definition of indigenous and whitewashing in your notebook, so you have that to remember. Second thing for homework to do is watch the YouTube video, The Truth About Thanksgiving. I'm going to link that down below, but for now I have it in this tab. This is the video. You're going to watch the video. Once you are done watching the video, go back to this Google Classroom assignment and complete the Google form called Thanksgiving Video Questions. And this is a check for understanding. So, first question is, what does Native activist Larissa FastHorse not enjoy about Thanksgiving? So the key word in here is not enjoy. And you have to watch the video to get the answers. But spending time with family, the weird foods, the tragedy and genocide, which means killing people who belong to one group that we ignore, or having a day of gratitude. So based on what she said in the video, click the one that goes with it. 2. Why does Native activist Larissa FastHorse think that Native issues get left out so often? And the answer to this question is at 1 minute and 55 seconds into the video. But you need to watch the whole video in order for it to make sense. So just listen to what she says and copy down the phrase that she uses. It doesn't have to be long. Don't give me 3 sentences. It should be short. 3. What are ways we can help Indigenous people? Learn about their histories and cultures from their perspective, recognizing that we, all non-Native people, are living on their land, not dressing up in offensive costumes like wearing a headdress because it is not our culture, or 4, all of the above. So based on what you learn in the video, you can decide from there. And then our last question is, which Indigenous tribes' land are we, the School of CPA, on? So if you go to this link that I put in here, you can actually see the land of the tribe we are on, our school building. So I am showing you how to do this right now. So you're going to go to nativeland.ca. So I'm typing that into my URL bar. It takes me to this map. So I'm going to press go to map. Then I type in the name of our school. So Community of Peace Academy. And look at that, it's the first result. So I click on it. And this is the name of the tribe that our school building, their land is where our school is. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it's not cool, but it's interesting to know, and it's useful for us to know exactly where we are. And so I would copy down the name of that tribe and then go back to our Google form and write it into this short answer text right here. So if you are having trouble, please email me or comment below on the homework post and I will help you. But I think that I explained everything you need to do for homework this week. This is going to be due next Wednesday. All right, everybody, good luck.